Hello, Trilby here, and I'm going to guide you through a 2-minute reset. So you can find a comfortable cross-legged position, taking the hands to your knees, getting nice and tall to the spine, and we're going to start to stir it up. So just begin to choose a direction, clockwise, counterclockwise, doesn't matter, getting into those hips. You can think of you're tending to your basement here, cleaning out the hip crease, cleaning out that hip joint. And then allow the ribs to start to get involved. It should feel like a nice opening, a stretch. Really flare the ribs here. Usually we're trying to contain them, so for here, you can open them up. And then reverse direction. Circle the other way, turning yourself around. You can image that you're mixing a batter of your favorite dessert, just getting out all the little lumps. Couple more here. Maybe closing the eyes so you can really hone in on sensation. Nice, slow, mindful breathing, tending to our insides. Let's take one more big stir around, coming to center. Take the right fingertips, crawl them long on the mat, and then arc up and over. And just take this side to side, opening up the windows, the lungs, finding that arc through the side waist. And then moving the arms gracefully, softly, rooting that opposite sit bone down into the ground so you feel that big, big stretch. Taking one more each way, finding a bit more of a dynamic shape here. Last one, all the way up and over. And then we'll take the hands up overhead, interlace the fingers, flip the palms high to the sky, and start to draw a halo around the crown of the head. And again, you can get the ribs involved, stirring one direction, moving organically, spherically, tending to those shoulders, and then circle the other way, around and around, opening up the back line. Take one more. Reaching tall, big breath in. Exhale, pop the cork. Let it go. Thank you so much for joining me for this 2-minute reset. I hope to see you soon.